Hello, bonjour tout le monde. Alors, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can ask a question without any prior knowledge in French. Let's see. In French, you have three different ways of asking questions. And the first one is the easiest one. Question by intonation, what we call intonation. Intonation is intonation. So your voice will make it question. I think it's similar to English. Let's see in one example. Tu vas au cinéma. You are going to movie. Okay, tu vas au cinéma. You are going to movie. So that sentence is not a question. Now we want to put it in a question by using the intonation form. It will become tu vas au cinéma. Tu vas au cinéma. So the last word will be a little longer than the previously simple sentence. So now it is a question. So you are going to remove the full stop at the end of the sentence and put a question mark. So tu vas au cinéma. It is a question. Okay, that is the easiest one. Let's take another example. Il habite à Paris. He lives in Paris. Now if you want to put in a question to become il habite à Paris. So the last word Paris will be longer. Okay, il habite à Paris. So here your voice will make it question. It's very simple. So and don't forget to put a question mark at the end. Bien. Now this first part is finished. Now let's see the second ways of asking question. Basically, it's inversion. We are going to change now the position of a verb and the subject. Okay, in a normal sentence, like we have subject, verb, and object. Now we are going to start with question with the verb and then the subject. It is inversion. Bien, let's take a sample. Example, nous allons au marché. We are going to market. Nous, we, allons, to go in present. Nous allons au marché. Marché is a market. So here it will become allons-nous au marché. Allons-nous au marché. So we have start with sentence with the verb. Allons-nous au marché? Simple. You got your question. Are we going to market? Simple. Nous regardons la télé. It will become regardons-nous la télé. Regardons-nous la télé. So the verb came first now and after the verb subject and then object. Regardons-nous la télé. Simple. Now the last form. The last form is a question with est-ce que. The third one. Question with est-ce que. Est-ce que means do you or are you? So let's see how to use it. That also is very simple one. You can put your est-ce que in the beginning of your sentence and then you will get the question. Let's see an example. Il habite à Paris. The first example that we took. Il habite à Paris. That is a simple sentence. Now we'll put it in a question by using est-ce que. It will become est-ce qu'il habite à Paris? Est-ce qu'il habite à Paris? He lives in Paris. Now the question is, est-ce qu'il habite à Paris? Does it live in Paris? Does it live in Paris? It's a question. Now you have a question. Second form. Nous allons au marché. Let's see. Nous allons au marché. We are going to market. The first form. Now in the question it will become, est-ce que nous allons au marché? Est-ce que nous allons au marché? You see, you start your sentence with est-ce que, and then the entire sentence will come. It will respond the same way like our affirmative sentence, subject, verb, object. Just put your est-ce que in the beginning of your sentence. You get a question. That's it. Very simple. So if you remember, the first form is question with intonation, make your voice change it. And second form is a question with inversion du sujet du verbe, inverse with the position of the subject and the verb. And the third one is the last one, ask a question with est-ce que. Keep est-ce que in the beginning of your sentence and you will get a question without forgetting to put the question mark at the end of your question. That's it. Very easy, and even you don't have any prior knowledge in French, you can start your first question today by watching this video. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Au revoir.